Joining her are Secretary Cristina Frasco of the Department of Tourism, Secretary Cristina Roque of the Department of Trade and Industry, Secretary Jerry Acuzar, Presidential Advisor for Pasig River Rehabilitation, and Attorney John Padilla of the Intramuros Administration. Thank you, First Lady, Secretary Frasco, Secretary Roque, Secretary Acuzar, and Attorney Padilla. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the Foro de Intramuros.
Importance nitong event sa tourism?
Napakahalaga ng event na ito, yung Likha 4, dahil nabibigyan ng pagkakataon yung ating mga kababayan, ating mga communities, tribes, artisans, yung ating mga small and medium enterprises na makilala ng buong mundo, makilala ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Dahil sa pamamagitan ng pagpakita ng kanilang mga works of art, weaving, jewelry, pati na rin po yung mga textiles nila, sculptures, and other products, ay makikilala yung kultura ng Pilipino. At doon naman talaga nakikita din kung sino tayo. No? And so we are very happy that the First Lady has spearheaded this initiative that honors our Filipino culture and gives tribute to our heritage and our communities all over the Philippines.
Message po sa public, paano po makakatulong sa mga artisans?
Nakakatulong ng ating mga kababayan sa mga artisans natin sa pamamagitan ng pag-shopping. We invite our fellow Filipinos to come to the Likha 4 to discover the very many booths and communities that have come here from all over the country and to purchase their products that have been made with love.
Thank you.
Thank you.